All right, so I did some filming here. I did a little sample filming of my son, and I was sitting on the top flight of the stairs. I did some zooming in. I'm just gonna touchscreen play this here. And you can see I'm zooming in. The quality is looking nice and good. Also in the settings, you can change different things. I believe I had it on 4K. I don't even think I used 5K. But look at the quality in that. I think that looks really good. Zooming in there. I didn't use the microphone, however, I could have, but I was just doing the zooming in feature. And then I have him look at me and I zoom in even more, and you can see the quality here. That's pretty good. Don't forget to do some things with this, like putting on the lens cover here. It does not sit over this, so you would have to unscrew some of the things to put the lens cover cap on. Also, you have the tripod you can use. That would go on here. And what's really nice is this actually can go right onto this without taking off the handle. So you can take it off, but you could just screw it right onto here and have it sitting on your desk or anything like that. You can just sit right on there like that. And then of course do the flip camera. And don't forget you have this remote to use, which makes things easier. Has some different features on here like zooming in, zooming out, recording a camera, and different features on here. So, and if you have the screen flipped to you, you're easily going to be able to see what it's doing and what it's saying. A couple of features on here. You're going to push this button and hold it for a second to start filming. You will see right here in the little corner that it is actually filming. So I'm going to zoom in on something. Let's look at the calendar in the back. Zooming in, I'm going to press this. So we're going to zoom in there. Okay, it does go 16x. We're gonna zoom out and then we're gonna stop filming by pressing this button. And it is stopped filming, it is stored. Oops, I pressed it again. It is going to be stored. In order to see that, we can go here in the menu. You do have all these different options on how, and it is touchscreen as far as sliding this up and down. That is pretty cool. This also does flip all the way around. So if you're doing it facing it like this, you can actually see yourself, which is really nice. And the words and everything, the screen totally flips around so that you can easily read it. And you don't have to, you know, try to look at it upside down or anything. And then it flips back. So that's pretty cool. Another thing I noticed is, there are so many different settings that you can do and go through and just kind of customize. It also has, let me show you on the menu here. Let me go back down. I noticed it has time just like a camera does, where you can actually do, let me get back here, where you can actually set like a timer for how long you want it to take the picture before it does, you know, like a 3-second, stuff like that. Here you're gonna see loop record, slow record, time recording, and then, oops. And then you're also gonna get the time picture, continuing picture. So all of these features. And then within the camera and within the recorder, you also have more features to access and more customization you can do. But I really just wanted to show you how, and here's the videos here that you can delete. It told you how you record them. So make sure you can set the settings to different things based on what you like. You can name these, stored in your SD card, you can delete it, and you can upload this to your computer or anything you want with the SD card. And then you can also obviously delete anything on it. So thanks for the company for sending me this to review.